Love her. Okay.
She's so
Hey everybody.
Oh wait,
I'm Laura Hughes, proving girls can do it too.
She got a work permit, get it. Give me what you got, let me work with it. Yikes, she been learning it, and you knew you gon' get another turn with it. Hey, bad one, and she good on.
Hey sister! She's gonna be doing half my face with makeup, and she's gonna be doing half my face, and the winner will get a prize. So
You didn't take your makeup
this
off.
is. I just thought I honestly thought I was just that perfect.
Ellen Tracy. Hey, can we? Is it recording? Hey guys, we use Gracie for the clout. We don't actually like her. We just. Can you put some clout goggles on me and like play some gangster music?
That was awesome. I'm just staring at myself and not the camera. You're doing the same thing, aren't you?
Just staring.
Okay, look at Jeffrey. Okay. No, it's like this. It's like, hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
I need
You
to get
gotta scoot over. She's gonna not put the brush
my
down.
thick boyness will get hurt.
Oh god.
Just take it off. Your eyeshadow, Gracie.
I need to go upstairs.
Literally
all of
everything
Gracie's
is
makeup. Let's. Hey guys, it's
Wait, we need to
Emily.
figure out what we're gonna do.
Hey,
What are we gonna do for foundation? Where's her foundation?
To my channel, I'm gonna
I love
swatch
how
the
she has
Anastasia
a
Glow
freaking
Kit.
diamond thing.
Wait, where's her highlighter brush? I need some highlight.
Where's her foundation?
Which one should I put on? White sand?
Oh my god. Yes.
Alright, I gotta take off my makeup.
Because she did
Are you
it.
about to say something?
Ian Richards, what?
As
Follow me
please.
back. Ian Richards, follow me. D. Ian Richards.
Oh my god, he's my #1 fan. Everybody, I'm gonna spray my face.
Look, wait, can we give her a shout out? Shout out to Sarah. She's my homegirl.
Emily, Alright, that felt good. So I primed my face.
Dad said you left your deodorant in my truck.
That's awkward. I don't really know how much I
Relaxing,
need
just
for
go to
only half
sleep.
of your face.
I'm gonna close my eyes. Okay. If you need them open, just holler at me.
Oh god, this is gonna look so bad.
Hold
It's gonna be dark, so
I
you
cannot.
gotta,
I didn't touch it.
Emily, you are sabotaging my life.
she's gonna be arrested.
Gracie.
Arrested.
Gracie, look on that thing. I look like the thing from Creepypasta. You can put an image on there.
It's literally so bright I can't see.
Like Jeffrey.
Make it brighter. Wait.
No,
Jeffrey on Creepypasta and then put a picture next to me.
I'm still doing your makeup as you're laughing.
You're a quality makeup artist.
Of course. Match.
My neck, my back, my anxiety.
Attack.
Put this on your neck.
My neck, my back.
Wait,
My anxiety attack.
You almost chopped off your eyebrow pencil. This is like $5 right here.
It really is. I spent 30.
Oh my god.
You're tickling me.
I can't help it.
I just
Nate
hit.
Hill is typing. He wants a pro. I got your man. I got your man.
Recognize I got these thick stars.
Foot fetish. No.
Oh, jeez.
Okay, just go. I can get that. It's ticklish. Can you pat, not rub?
We're gonna have to like.
It looks fine.
We're
They
gonna
can even
have
see
to
the ring
like seduce her with like some medicine brow on. Someone needs a wax. No, I'm kidding. Warn every guy I talk to. I'm nasty, so I'm like ugly and hideous.
I'm ugly. I just put random lines on her face for no reason. I might make you look like a cake face, not sure.
I mean, she'll make you look like a cake face if Sydney does her everyday makeup routine.
Oh,
That was not.
No, I'm kidding. Mine has never been to Uva Job. Meredith Pabst has requested to follow me.
Uva.
Lexi Swaney, shout out to you, girl. Love her. She Snapchatted me. I'm gonna be using the Morphe palette. Apply a big.
Use code James for 10%. They have like multiple people working on their face. Like, ooh, gotta fix my mouth. Ooh, and my eyes.
Okay, I'm gonna put.
Fix my mouth and my eyes. What? So
I look horrifying.
horrifying. Okay, what's this?
Okay, I'm gonna let that. What the freak? I'm excited. I'm gonna do one line.
So what I'm gonna do
Brush chore.
first. You know what?
I just hit the wall so hard.
Crap the bed.
Oh, crap the bed. Thicken.
This is why her brushes are.
This is cosmetics brush is a goodie. Just like me.
Okay.
This is how you get out of your comfort zone.
Oh shoot.
Do you want to be a beauty guru or not?
I am a beauty guru. I took my eyebrows off like a drag queen. Follow me on Instagram. Will you like put
What
a
is
little
that?
tag thing in?
Yeah.
Emily.Wallner.
Can you follow me on Instagram at Sydney Long.
I can type it in.
Okay.
I always do.
Oh.
You know what? I'm a ticklish queen.
We love a ticklish queen.
Yes, we do.
Okay, I need the eyebrow thing. Where's it at?
That's a you problem.
Here's the here if you want gel.
I like that.
And then there's
There it is,
I like
okay.
that too.
Gracie's. Did you carve out her eyebrow?
No.
Okay.
You do what you want. You do what you want. 'cause I'm
Well, I
picking-
did, but I put
What did I
eyeshadow on top.
do?
Like I carved it out and like used it as eye primer.
Oh my god, I cannot freaking do this without your head being heard.
Hey Emily.
Oh, this is perfect. 'Cause I might get to
You freaking moved. That is not my fault.
Wait, are we
left?
left?
We're gonna brush it to make it come
My
off.
sister was saying the Lord's Prayer this morning, okay, to my mom because my grandma's trying to get her to learn it, and she messes up and goes. And my mom goes, "Oh my God, Brennan, she's your first cuss word."
You don't cuss when you're saying the Lord's Prayer.
And my mom's like, "Get down on your knee." Dawes, yes, in Russian. I was watching Glitter Forever 17 Draw My Life today because I know she went on a mental breakdown and faked her pregnancy. Shane Dawson, help me. Emily Wallner is hated by many. No, I'm kidding. I'm actually a likable person if you get to know me.
Oh,
It's like soaking.
I'm gonna wait till
She's
Emily's done with
soaking in it.
She's thinking that what look she wants. So let's fall out here.
I just want to see who does the winged eyeliner.
Did you tap your brush, Emily?
Here.
Are you handing it to me?
No.
Did you tap your brush?
Are you done?
With what?
With eyeshadow?
No.
This
I'm
makes
using
me
a different
nervous of how
palette.
much fallout because I just did her freaking foundation.
That's why you do eyes.
Fallout Boy.
My heart, na, 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 na,
Look, she's off again. You keep crossing
down,
her.
swinging.
And we're the number one and I'm going
Okay.
down.
Do you have any? And there it breaks again.
You broke it?
Oh, I don't know. I didn't break it. Emily
Sorry.
broke it.
That was triggering.
I'm gonna like not this
Peanut butter baby. Okay, so this is Emily's side and this is
So
Sydney's
far.
side.
We're
legit have not done anything.
My eyebrows look bold.
Shouty daddy.
Oh my god.
Good.
Emily, we both had to try to do the swing ladder.
Somebody once told
Open
me
your
the
eyes.
world was gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in
In
the
the shaddy
shed.
shed.
He was looking kinda dumb
Like
with
a
a
Krabby
finger
Patty.
and a thumb in the shape of a nail
Can I
on
see
his
that, Emily?
forehead.
See what?
Figures.
What?
That. This? Thanks. I need a tiny brush.
You have to get a
Oh,
long
I use this one. Literally, I use a glitter brush.
40 times.
Glitter
Glitter
brush,
brush,
I make it off.
it will make it work. Well, now it's kind of wet, but like we're still spreading. Right, that's super close. Okay. No, I don't know what color I
I
want.
gotta do, oh shoot.
I have all these choices.
Wait, where's the glow kit?
Oh, it's got me going psycho. It's got me going down, down,
Okay.
down. Got me there.
It's a tiny brush.
Recognize.
This is like not showing up.
So, are you guys ready for the Fair Friday?
Oh my
I
god.
love how you're making this a plan. I look just so different.
That's good. We need some.
Yeah.
We need some.
Okay, I need something that's like way more pigmented than those.
Oh, shit.
Chat. Oh god.
Ow.
Ow.
It's like,
I love you like
a love song, baby. It's like our concert.
I love you
like a love song, baby.
baby. And I keep hitting my beep, 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 beep. Oh.
This was before I was friends with either of you.
It's been said and done. All these beautiful thoughts been already sung. And I guess right now.
Remember what you say about Justin Bieber? She like cried. Now he's a new woman.
That was a lot of wetness. Emily, God, that's
Moist.
like getting you moist.
We like moist. We love a moist. Oh, it smells like coconut.
It really does. I love that.
Full size clean.
Hey.
Hey guys, welcome back to my ASMR.
Can it be that one?
Emily's like poking me.
Poking
I don't wear makeup. Like, I wear mascara.
She has luscious
Okay.
lashes.
Close your
Luscious.
eye. This is gonna be intense, Gracie.
Oh shoot! I gotta
Oh, no.
blend down.
This is gonna be so intense. I'm
She's doing.
I'm gonna wait until like.
Wait, just wait, Grace, you're getting in your hair, Gracie.
You sound like my
Look at our
mom.
skin colors. Oh my
Gracie.
gosh.
I'll do it myself.
Okay, do it,
'cause I
do
can't
it,
tickle
do it.
myself. What do you mean to do?
Serious, because I can't tickle myself. Blend it down to your neck. No. Just the stuff that's on your neck.
I don't know where it's at.
It's right. Okay, ready?
Don't get it on
put
my
the-
side, Emily.
Right there.
All right.
I don't know
So
what
today's song of the day is.
My boy, my boy.
All right. Well, today's song of the day is called "My Boy" by Billie Eilish.
Out the cuss, he just sounds like he's trying to be fun. My boy's an ugly crier, but
I'm an ugly crier too. All right. Emily is good.
I'm not trying to copy your glamour, Sydney.
My glamour.
cop.
It's like by Billie Eilish. Trying to copy my glamour.
Okay.
Okay, Emily, I think you're good.
Let me do concealer too. Where's the concealer?
look like this.
She's gonna do eyeliner.
Yeah, Emily will do eyeliner.
Where's the concealer? All right, where's the
I don't know why. I just wanted to do close-up angle. So make sure you do it right, Emily, or all the beauty gurus will attack you. Just kidding. That was a prank.
James Charles is quick. You just just fine. Snapchat.
You think it's mine? I'm like, what?
Hurry, please.
Oh my god.
Celebrities. Wait.
These girls are.
Can we go? Can we go to 7-Eleven and get
I'm
sit
like-
here and blend the concealer?
Concealer. I'm not even in it.
So just kidding.
Okay, look up.
my man.
Cindy doesn't have a man. She's a single queen.
Because
So if you guys want to hit her up, follow her on
Hit me up.
Instagram. Cindy Long.
she's single, athletic,
I'm not
skinny.
I'm not
has a
athletic.
good,
I'm not
skinny.
athletic.
She's thick. No, Cindy. Someone told me at school that you looked thick, and we're dead serious.
And I am not thick.
Go.
None of us are thick.
What is this?
But Gracie.
Emily, look.
Why are you so close?
I'm keeping that in there.
Look how close. Oh, this is so pretty.
Bounce that booty. Blender. Ha.
Oh, booty blender. Oh my god. Alright, you can do the
skin
wing.
tones look so different.
You can.
We love a tan queen. She went to Punta Cana on that side. On the
Okay,
other
what do
side,
you
we
want?
don't know.
On
can
the
do
other
your-
side's winter.
You can do the winged eyeliner.
Now.
Yes. No.
Get your teeth nice and.
This smells so weird.
Wait, let me smell it.
So-
It smells like berries.
Oh, I very like that. It's very good.
Oh my god. Okay. Sorry.
Oh, look at her shirt.
4 hours.
Hey.
What's up?
I haven't even touched her eyes.
Look at my highlight. Popping. No, I don't look good.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
And it's more about the girl.
Gracie, you freaking blinked.
Look at my eyebrow.
I
I'll
can't.
brush it
It's
all
so
the way
thick
up.
right
This is what I
now.
look like when I get out of the shower.
Close your eye. I hate you. And then we'll fix the rest.
I can't see the eyeliner. Honestly, just act like it's not there. I'll act like it's not there.
No!
Hold up.
What is happening? Yeah, the whole eyeshadow look just wiped it off. Honestly, it's okay.
I win!
Contour concealer.
Yeah. Oh, I can do your makeup, Riley. You look really good.
It's okay.
Even Riley knows.
I gotta move that, sorry.
Okay.
Okay. And here we go again.
Wait, can I finish?
Yeah.
I gotta get your jawline. Get it looking like Riley's. Sharp.
Oh my god.
Extreme contour.
Okay.
I'm not gonna pick a winner because, like, you guys both.
Am I even in the
whatever.
frame? I wasn't even in the frame.
You keep scooching
Because I'm kind of
chalk.
chalked to. Okay.
Why do you just get silent? Like,
Because I looked at him like.
you better care, hun bun. Okay.
Oh shoot! I did too much.
It's like black.
Hush, hush,
It's like- I was
hush.
like-
Blush, blush, blush.
You are now my. Sorry, good answer.
He's like, what?
He's very young.
What I was doing. Boys don't know anything about makeup.
Let me see.
I don't want to
Bad. Oh, doesn't this look like cheese powder?
I can't see it.
Ew, if that's what your cheese looks like.
Brown, you got some problems.
Yeah. If your cheese is brown, you've got some issues.
Everybody wants my man, but no one's gonna get my man.
Okay, sure. That's
What was that
for? That's what Gracie's
You can hang
point
out
was.
right now if you don't want.
Wait, where's
yes
the
or no?
mascara at?
Oh, it's not like you don't want it.
It's okay.
I do want this.
Right. Great.
Where
It's
the freak did it
great.
go?
It's on the ground. Maybe you had it.
I do want this.
Wait, can I do my? Oh, we're having like a relationship session right now. Cheese and rock. You get me wet. You're sweet.
He's like, don't tell anybody we FaceTime because I don't want people to know how bad I am at Fortnite.
That's awkward. Wait, I gotta put this on. Shoot. And we have to do a different lip color.
Okay, jeez.
What?
What? I look so bad right now.
I look dead.
What?
Bullshit.
Oh,
9.
can we go swimming?
Huh?
I just messed up.
9.
Good night. Say like
No. Oh, Sydney went to go see the Purge movie without me. Would you want to go see the
I
Purge
love how
movie?
you're like freaking. Oh my god, never mind.
Like this video, subscribe, comment down below any videos you guys would like to see, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye, guys.